From the earliest days of Hollywood, Lockheed Martin has had a unique connection to some of the most memorable and award-winning films. Over the decades, our aircraft haven't just appeared in movies, they've taken center stage in iconic scenes that are etched in film history. Take the final scenes of the 1942 Best Picture winner, Casablanca. The Lockheed Model 10 Electra plays a pivotal role in helping Victor Laszlo and Ilsa Lund escape the clutches of the Germans. Fast forward to 1980, where Lockheed's L-1011 TriStar made a cameo appearance in the classic comedy Airplane. You can spot it in the background during the chaotic scene on the runway as fire trucks, ambulances, and even lawnmowers rush out. In the Transformers series, our F-22 Raptor works with the Autobots, but also takes on the form of Starscream, the notorious and treacherous Decepticon. From Iron Man to the Avengers, Lockheed Martin aircraft have stood shoulder to shoulder with superheroes. The F-35, F-22, and F-16 have been featured in major action sequences, adding realism and power to the Marvel Cinematic Universe. In X-Men First Class, the original X-Jet is a modified Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird, designed and built by Hank McCoy in the early 1960s. Most recently, Lockheed Martin's innovation took flight yet again in Top Gun Maverick. Maverick himself pushes the limits of speed, exceeding Mach 10 in the conceptual hypersonic Darkstar aircraft. Whether it's a vintage Electra in a timeless love story, or a hypersonic jet racing into the future, Hollywood loves our aircraft. Did we miss your favorite cameo? Tell us below.